Hey! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Finally, you can set up an hour, and when you're ready, choose days of the week by tapping on the best ones. Then you need to click on alarm name, label your alarm however you wish to, like work, and select done on your keyboard at the bottom right corner. Now you can click on the switchers next to all of those features, alarm sound, vibration and snooze, to disable or enable them. After that, choose snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back, select vibration and select one of those vibration patterns by tapping on the best one, like TikTok, and going back. Finally, select alarm sound, and over here you can connect to your Spotify account or go with ringtone. Tap on allow and select one of those melodies by clicking on, for example, 80s phone and going back. But you can also click on this plus icon at the top right corner, select song from your device like Over the Horizon, select done at the top right corner, and just go back. Over here you can click on the switcher next to those two features to enable or disable them. And you can also change volume of your alarm by swiping left or right. Finally, go back and save your alarm by clicking on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. You can also delete it by holding it and choosing delete icon at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!